Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivian. Welcome baby. Guys, I hope everyone is good. I hope you guys are doing well. It is a Sunday today, and currently I am heading to Rosebank, and then I'm gonna go to Waterfall. Yeah guys, I thought I should come introduce the vlog. Haven't spoken to you guys in a while, so yeah, we'll talk later guys. Hi guys, it is later in the day. Guys, I'm not sure if I did an intro for this vlog, or the intro that I did, I'm not sure about it. I'll see when I edit. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new here, welcome baby. You guys, it's a Sunday today. It is later in the day. Earlier I went to Rosebank, I went to Waterfall, I then went to Mall of Africa. I'm not sure if I've showed you that part, but if I didn't, yeah, that is the update for today. I took my car to car wash earlier, so now I brought my friend's car to car wash. Yeah, so it is basically that. You guys, it's a Sunday, and I have to prepare for work. I mean, tomorrow it's back to norm. I didn't even go to church today. And it bothers me because remember, I'm weekend in, weekend out. So if I'm not at work and I don't go to church, it bothers me so much guys. But anyways, I'll go to church that week, a week after this one. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, I'll make sure that I go to church. Yeah guys, anyways, that is the update for today. I'm not sure if this vlog will end here or I'll continue with the vlog. I'm not sure, we'll see. Guys, this guy ain't disturb. Anyways, Good morning, my loves. Good morning. Happy Thursdays, it's Handra. Yeah, it's a cold morning. It is cold today. It's very cold, yes. Yeah, I last spoke to you guys on Sunday. Yeah, I'm going to Sunday. So I'm just here to plait my hair. Guys, inwele zami ziyaphuka. Ziyaphuka inwele zami. Yo, I wanted to take a break from clean and everything. I was wearing a wig. But the way inwele zami ziphuka ngakhona, I'm just gonna do a freehand. I think I'm gonna do that the whole winter because wow, inwele zami zivele zimbashe enye into. So I'm waiting for this lady. She's a bit late. And then yeah, there's a lot I want to do today. I hope I'm going to take you guys with. I hope. But I'm going to try. I'm going to try to take you guys with because I tried editing this vlog and I can see that I do not have enough footage. So I'm going to try add whatever that I'm doing today and then we'll see how it goes. Love you guys. Hey loves, I'm back and Sana, Senora did the most. She came to rescue. She did really come to rescue because woo, so yeah guys, I am now heading to, should I wear these shades? I'm not sure. Yeah, this is big exciting. I'm now heading to a town, guys. I was only wearing these because I'm abhlungu, so I thought they were red. Mara awabonakali on camera, they are actually red. Ish abhlungu, yeah. But we are now heading to a town to run a few errands and then yeah, guys, I'm sure. Let me just close off the vlog here because I'm not sure if I'll talk to you guys again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment guys, even if you just comment with hearts. Yeah, and I'm going to do my nails. I'm gonna go do my nails and then come back, install my lashes. I'll do that myself. Yeah, much love. Ke batlang tshwela man.
Ile ka re le o go le se o tla go di.
Mfe number hai.
Ke tla go romela ka WhatsApp.
O serious?
Serious.
Sharp. Bye bye ne. Ene nna ne be ke sa paka mo bona kole ya ka jwang no ke matlhare ye. Ai soka. Bye bye. Thank you.
Have a nice day, mtasekhaya.
You too.